person who possesses various adaptable qualities according to the situation and the people he faces. So according to me, in a bank, I will face many people. Like maybe a person can be an angry customer, a person can be slightly dissatisfied customer. So according to the situation, I can handle people according to my personality.
You did your graduation from CET, right? It's a government college. You did your graduations in a government college, but now you are deciding to join a bank. Why can't any other sector?
Sir, basically from my branch, I could have joined in the core sector like NALCO, PSU, like NALCO, NTPC and other different PSUs where the seat count is very less. According to me, some instrumentation posts are maybe in a year or two they release 2 to 3 seats in instrumentation sector, and the competition is very high there. And that's
Do you feel the competition in bank is very less?
No, so the competition is not less, but the job opportunity is more.
Okay, you uttered a name called NALCO.
Yes, sir.
Right, what type of company it is? It is a Miniratna, Maharatna, or Navaratna company.
It is a Maharatna company.
How many Maharatna companies are in it?
12 Maharatna PSUs are there in India.
Do you know what are the procedures or what are the timeline that is decided to declare a company as Maharatna? Do you know what is a unicorn company?
Yes, sir. Companies whose assets value more than $1 billion US dollars, they are called unicorns.
What is a blue chip company? What is a blue chip company?
The most profitable company in the stock market. The top 30, top 50 companies are the blue chip companies.
State one difference between money market and capital market.
So money market is regulated by RBI and capital market is regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India.
How will you expand the term SARFAISI?
SARFAISI is securitization of assets and reconstruction of.
So, can you tell us what is CBS?
It is core banking solution where a bank branch, all the bank branches are connected to a central system. Where if I have opened an account in Lewis Road branch of Bhubaneswar, and now currently I live in Patia, so I can access my bank transactions and all the details that I want to achieve from a different State Bank of India branch in Patia.
Do you have any bank account? Do you have any bank account?
Yes, sir. I have a State Bank of India account.
State Bank of which branch?
The Lewis Road branch, Bhubaneswar.
Who is the present BM of that branch?
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
You read in Bakshi Jagabandhu Vidyadhar. Who was Mr. Bakshi Jagabandhu?
So Mr. Bakshi Jagabandhu was a freedom fighter who is from Cuttack of Odisha, Cuttack district of Odisha, and
You are from Keonjhar, but you choose to read in Bhubaneswar. What is the reason behind it?
so back then when I passed out class 10 in 2014, there were not very much opportunities in Keonjhar for CBSE courses, and there was a craze in being an English medium school in a CBSE course, so that's why I chose to move to Bhubaneswar for better education facilities.
Why you are not ready to go for MBA, top level MBAs after CET?
So after CET, I choose to join a job so that I do not have to depend on my family for my financial.
Then what is the women empowerment?
So women empowerment is the idea where we give opportunities to various women in sectors of learning, having their own businesses and growing in various fields like sports and also in educational fields.
Give some examples.
First example would be my mother. My being here in the State Bank of India interview is an example of my having a progressive mother who was willing to educate me. And second, I would take my name because my being highly educated is also an example of women empowerment. And for the third, I would like to name Miss Chandrani Murmu, who is the youngest MP from my district.
Your